Hi, Chef. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Good.
Chef, please, what is the difference between sanitizing, cleaning, and disinfecting?
Oh, okay. That's a good question. You know, we deal with food, and food safety is something that you have to take it very serious because you cook for a number of people from different backgrounds that you don't know how they tolerate with bacteria and microorganisms. So understanding the difference between cleaning, disinfecting, and sanitizing is very, very important in food production and food safety. Let me start with the cleaning. When we talk about cleaning, that is trying to remove the physical dirt that you see. So let's say if you have stains on this wall and you are trying to remove it by using detergent, then you are doing cleaning. So when it comes to cleaning, you can use soap, we have the liquid, and we have the solid, or any kind of detergent that you have. But don't forget, cleaning does not kill or remove bacteria or microorganisms. So now let's come to sanitizing. Sanitizing brings microorganisms and bacteria to a safer level. So let's say if you have a table that you are cutting food product on and you sanitize, let's say the chopping board or your knife, you are not destroying all the bacteria and the microorganisms on the knife or on the chopping board. You are just bringing them to a safer level. That means, let's say if 100 bacteria can make you sick or can cause food poisoning, but 10 bacteria cannot make you sick and it cannot cause food poisoning, the sanitizing will bring the bacteria from the 100 to the 10. This is just a scenario that I'm giving it to you, that it doesn't destroy all bacteria and microorganisms, it just brings them to a safer level that cannot cause harm to human. In terms of the sanitizing product, you have to use any sanitizing liquid, but the alcoholic content should be minimum of 60% of whatever product that you are going to use. And then we have solid one, that is the sanitizing tablet. So let's say if we come to Ibis House Hotel, we use the sanitizing tablet to wash our lettuce. So depending on what you are going to use, ours, you take one tablet, which is like a paracetamol, and you put it in 5 liters of water. It is going to take off all the bacteria in your salad. But as I said, it doesn't destroy all of them, it brings them to a safer level. When it comes to the disinfecting, that one destroys microorganisms and pathogens. So something like antiseptic, any antiseptic on the market, depending, because most of the time they will show you the ratio, how to use it. Maybe 2 or let's say 20 ml to 1 liter. That one, they always write it. So depending on which one you are going to buy, check how you should use it, depending on the product and the ratio of water you should use. So these are the differences between cleaning, that is just cleaning the dirt that you can see with your physical eyes, sanitizing, just bringing bacteria to a safer level that cannot cause harm to human being. Disinfecting is just destroying all the bacteria present at wherever you are working. So this is a little I can say about cleaning, sanitizing, and disinfecting.
Okay, that was so helpful, Chef. Thank you.
You're most welcome.
Contact the number on your screen for professional kitchen equipment and quality chef jackets.